So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove audio from a video clip using CapCut. So let's go ahead and start a new project and then put in this video clip. So you can hear there's audio on that video clip. So let's add it to the timeline. Now once you get it to the timeline, there are two options. One is to mute the video. So just tap on mute and the video sound is going to be removed. And now whatever you do, when you edit and when you export the video, it's going to have no sound. But also you can choose to extract the sound from the video and remove that sound. That might save you some memory space, because right now the sound file is still on this video. It's occupying space, although it's muted. So let's go ahead and extract that audio sound. So what you need to do is go to edit. In the edit menu, if you scroll and keep scrolling, you'll find the option to extract audio. So tap on that, and that's going to separate the video and the audio, as you can see. Okay, so we have the video here and the audio for this video here. So now select that audio file and then delete. And that audio file has now been deleted, and now you cannot even unmute. Okay, even when the sound is on, there's no sound. So that's basically how to mute or extract audio from a video using CapCut. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.